Ready to skyrocket your website's credibility and boost conversions by showcasing glowing Google reviews? First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard, the control center of your website, and click on Plugins, then add New, to explore our options for seamlessly integrating Google reviews. Now, in the search bar, type Google reviews. We're looking for plugins that specialize in pulling in those testimonials. I recommend using a plugin like Widget for Google reviews or site reviews. These are popular and user-friendly. Once you've found a plugin that you like, click Install Now and then activate. This will enable the plugin on your website. Next, navigate to the plugin settings page here. You'll typically need to connect the plugin to your Google business profile. Follow the plugin's instructions to authorize the connection, usually involving copying and pasting an API key or authenticating through your Google account. Now, open the Elementor page or post where you want to display your Google reviews. Search for the Google Reviews widget provided by the plugin or a similar widget. Within Elementor's Elements panel, drag and drop this widget onto your desired location on the page. Once the widget is in place, you can customize how your reviews are displayed. Most plugins offer options to filter reviews based on rating. Limit the number of reviews shown. Choose a layout style like a slider or grid and customize the appearance with your website's branding. And there you have it. Your Google reviews are now shining brightly on your website, building trust and enticing visitors to become customers. Don't forget to regularly check your plugin settings to ensure the connection to Google remains active and your reviews stay updated.